Are you looking for a way to make money online? Hi, I'm Delia, a burnt out accountant and homeschool mom. I was working full time and juggling all the things. I felt like my son was the one who was missing out the most. I tried all the things: MLMs, running an online boutique, and everything, even affiliate marketing, and nothing really panned out. Just seemed like it was costing me more time, energy, and money. It all changed for me when I found this blueprint. Now imagine an affordable program that teaches you the skills in digital marketing, how to master a 2-hour workday while earning $900 a day without needing tech skills, because it's a fully automated, done for you system. Would working just 2 hours a day change your life? It did mine, and now we are living life on our terms. If you're ready to master a 2-hour workday, put blueprints in the comments and I would absolutely love to get you the information.